Jordan Brand continues to honor its roots with fresh takes on the Air Jordan 1 Mid, even as anticipation builds for the upcoming Air Jordan 40. For fall 2025, the mid-top version of MJ's first signature sneaker appears in a new black, Varsity Red, Sail, and Flax colorway. This release stands out with a mix of soft textured leather and pitch dark nubuck, offering a unique twist on the usual smooth leather construction. The iconic Wings logo and Jumpman branding are dressed in Chicago Bulls-style Varsity Red, delivering nostalgic flair. Beneath, the sole unit takes on an off-white and flax finish, reminiscent of Nike Dunk tooling and perfect for autumn styling. Though plenty of summer-ready pairs are still coming, this version signals a seasonal transition. The Air Jordan 1 Mid continues to expand its legacy beyond 1985, and this latest edition is expected to release by November via Nike.com and select Jordan Brand retailers.